fuck around with Lil Kurt money in the bank, ho. Shit. Matter of fact, I got bankroll.
Yeah.
Y'all niggas listen to shit before I bankroll. Shit, talk about AKs and ARs. I leave a nigga AK spray in his A-car. Shit, where he at? A-Wild. That nigga A-Wild. You see me and my niggas in the crib, shit. No one wildin'. Cause who it is, nigga, it's just me. Lil Kurt, nigga, going on the deep spree.
What this nigga talking about? This nigga ain't battling. This nigga just read and all this shit tattling. All this shit chatting is getting up in my head. About to make a nigga go crazy, nigga about to go tell a feds. Cause this nigga killing me with this rap shit. Back shit, I always wanna ask shit. Why you always wanna be sarcastic? But all that rapping that you rapping, but it ain't happening. Nigga, what you talking about? You talking about you got jewels. Me and my niggas, we got guns, we got Rugers. Man, you don't wanna fuck
right here is a bitch nigga. He just said he gonna call the feds. Let me find out you a snitch, nigga. Shit, me and my niggas roll niggas in ditches, nigga. Shit, me and my niggas pull and sip and fuck your bitch, nigga. So you better relax and take your sage off before a nigga relapse and pull them blades out. And I ain't fucking with no motherfucking bitch niggas. But y'all boys better chill, nigga. No snitch niggas. Hey, see a nigga, yeah, you know I had to do it. Pulling out and I'm rolling in the fucking Buick. And I tell the boys, nah, it ain't no tax money. But shit, I got boys faxing money. And shit, y'all niggas relaxing, man. But shit, me and my niggas, we on the block and we taxing, man. Shit, talk about 50 packs, nigga did that. Nigga talk about ounces, a nigga did that. Shit, where them boys at? Shit, where them laws at? Shit, I'm running in your crib. Shit, where them hoes at? Y'all niggas tie you up like hogs, boy. Y'all niggas steady leaping like frogs, boy. Really, you don't want it, nigga. Get up on your job, boy. Y'all niggas better chill, nigga. Oh, boy. Bro, boy, I'ma kill this shit. Nigga, $100 bill this shit. Nigga, listen to a nigga real, feel this shit. Y'all niggas know Lil Kurt just killed this shit.